This sample is being prepared for coating adhesion testing. The sample is placed on an epoxy-coated backing plate for rigidity. An epoxy-coated 106 stud is mounted to the face of the sample, and it is all held in place by a stud mounting clip. The sample will then be cured at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour to activate the epoxy. Once the sample is cooled to room temperature, it will be ready for testing. The sample is placed on the pull-down breaking point platform upside down, and the stud is secured by the chuck. Once testing has begun, the stud will be pulled away from the face of the sample until a failure occurs or until the maximum force has been reached. In the main software menu, the test platform and module are selected along with the units of measurement. The user will then be prompted to either create or append a file for testing. Before the test begins, the lot number, stud size, max force, and force rate can be chosen. Brake detect can also be switched on or off. While the test is running, the force chart shows the force value increase until the stud is pulled free or the max force has been reached. With brake detect on, this test will stop once the force value drops. Visual inspection of the sample will reveal the failure mode. This is a coin or complete coating removal. The user can then enter a comment to describe the result of the test. The max force and max adhesion strength are given, and the test can be saved by clicking Save Data. Another test can be run by removing the stud from the previous test and inserting a new sample. The settings for the previous test are the default on the software, and all that is required is a new lot number to distinguish each subsequent test. In this manner, many tests can be run and all the data saved in the same file. At the software main menu, data from previous tests can be viewed with Data Display. First, the platform, module, and units of measurement must be selected, then the file to be viewed. Data Display will show all information relevant for each test in a spreadsheet. This menu also provides some statistical viewing options and gives the max, min, and mean of all samples in the set.